So guys, it is quite visible or quite noticeable that fluctuation of climate or weather, it is a common factor. So you have noticed it, and geological or geographical features are also, it also vary. So fluctuation, that means somewhere too cold, North Pole it is too cold, intense cold, somewhere moderate cold, somewhere too hot, desert, somewhere pleasant, somewhere that means warm, somewhere humid, and somewhere moderate climate. It has been noticed, and it is a common factor amidst the nature or environment. So it is very important to identify minerals. What are minerals? You have noted down the definition only. 2 lines, definition of minerals. So the kinds of minerals, metallic, non-metallic, already you have noted down. And minerals, those are not found in one place. It is scattered everywhere in the geographical features, under the surface, or earth crust. So it is not centralized, and for this extraction, by extracting the minerals only, by implementing human resource, we can use the minerals or usage of minerals by extracting. It is possible. So there are more 2 categories of minerals. Those are noticed, or those are found, 2 categories. Those 2 categories, Roman number 1, you can note down, Roman number 1, that is ferrous. The spelling ferrous, F for fox, Ferrous, ferrous. Roman number 2, non-ferrous. There are 2 categories of minerals, ferrous and non-ferrous. So what is ferrous? Simple, very simple to understand. The ferrous is usually applied on metals. This term ferrous, it is usually applied on metals such as iron ores. So Fe, that means ferrous, stands for iron, nothing but iron ore. Ferrous stands for iron or iron ore. And non-ferrous metal, that is, these are soft metal, or you can twist it. Non-ferrous means soft metal. You can twist it with your hands. Just as those are very precious, just as silver, gold, copper, those are non-ferrous metals. So here one more category under this ferrous and non-ferrous, that non-metallic minerals. What are the step by step. That is why guys, I have told you to open your notebook in front of you and note it down. Non-metallic minerals. What are the non-metallic minerals? Non-metallic mineral or minerals, if you write minerals, then you write do not. If you write minerals, then does not. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal, or non-metallic mineral does not contain metal. It's quite simple, very simple. It does not contain metal. It is simple to understand. So some of the examples are non-metallic. Some of the examples are limestone, mica and gypsum. Limestone, you know the spelling, mica, M-I-C-A, mica, and gypsum, the spelling G-Y-P-S-O-N. That is one of the minerals found on earth crust or under the surface. Now there is a brief classification of minerals. We have to classify the minerals accordingly. Now let us come to the extracting points. How we will extract the minerals. Just now I told you that how to extract. Without extraction minerals there is no use. Those will remain as it is under the surface or on Earth's crust. So how to extract minerals? So to extract minerals we have to go through three processes. Those three process, guys, you note down. Roman number 1, that is drilling, DRILLING, drilling. Roman number 2, that is mining, MINING, mining. And Roman number 3, that is quarrying, QUARRYING. So for extraction, these three process, that is mandatory. What is drilling? First you have to know that what is drilling.